Modern living room design is all about creating a space that balances functionality with aesthetic appeal. It often features clean lines, open layouts, and a minimalist approach that prioritizes comfort and practicality. The modern living room is not just a space to relax, but also a reflection of personal style, making it a key focal point in any home. With its emphasis on sleek furniture, neutral tones, and clever use of textures, a modern living room sets the stage for contemporary living. Furniture choices and layout. In a modern living room, furniture plays a crucial role in defining the space. Sofas and chairs with sharp, clean lines are a popular choice, often upholstered in neutral colors like gray, beige, or white. Modular furniture and multifunctional pieces are also trending, providing flexibility and saving space. The layout is often open and airy, with furniture arranged to encourage conversation and provide a sense of flow. For a truly modern look, avoid overcrowding the space and stick to essential pieces that add value. Color palette and lighting. Neutral colors are the foundation of modern living room design, with shades like white, black, gray, and beige dominating the palette. To add depth and interest, accents like metallics, pastels, or bold pops of color can be introduced through cushions, rugs, or wall art. Lighting is another key aspect, with natural light being a priority. Large windows, sheer curtains, and strategically placed floor lamps or pendant lights enhance the brightness and create a welcoming ambience. Accessories and decor. While modern design leans towards minimalism, carefully chosen accessories can add character to the living room. Think abstract artwork, geometric sculptures, or potted plants to bring life to the space. Mirrors can make the room feel larger, while textured rugs and throws add warmth and coziness. The key is to keep the decor simple yet impactful, ensuring every item serves a purpose and complements the overall design. Technology integration. A modern living room is often tech-savvy, with devices seamlessly integrated into the design. Wall-mounted TVs, hidden speakers, and smart home systems ensure the space remains uncluttered while offering maximum convenience. Charging stations and concealed wiring keep the room looking neat and organized. With the rise of smart lighting and voice-activated gadgets, modern living rooms are becoming more functional, catering to the needs of a tech-driven lifestyle. Materials and textures. Modern living room design emphasizes the use of high-quality materials that create a sleek and sophisticated look. Common materials include glass, metal, and natural wood, which can be blended to achieve a balanced and stylish aesthetic. Glass coffee tables or metallic accents provide a contemporary edge, while wooden furniture or flooring introduces warmth and grounding. Layering textures, such as combining smooth leather with soft velvet cushions or using a shaggy rug against a polished floor, adds depth and interest to the space without overwhelming it. Sustainability and eco-friendly design. Incorporating sustainability into modern living room design is a growing trend. Many homeowners are opting for eco-friendly furniture made from recycled materials or sustainable wood. Indoor plants not only enhance the aesthetic, but also improve air quality, aligning with a greener lifestyle. Energy-efficient lighting and solar-powered devices are becoming more popular, allowing for a stylish yet environmentally conscious space. By integrating these elements, a modern living room can reflect not only contemporary design trends, but also a commitment to sustainability. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.